Good day. Our topic today is a connected community living in the IT era. What is a connected community? So the connected community uses high-speed broadband to connect citizens, businesses, and local government to the education, tools, and resources that will help them thrive in today's digital world. So commonly today, we are using social media with the use of internet to gain some information and knowledge and to cope up to other peoples to know what they really up to. So it can improve the quality of education in many ways. It opens doorways to a wealth of information. Like for us, a student, it can barely help us because it can provide us the knowledge and the ideas that we need when we're learning on this era. So knowledge and educational resources, increasing opportunities for learning in and beyond the classroom. Teachers use online materials to prepare lessons and students to extend the range of learning. So we can actually adapt and improve our learning skills through the use of internet and to connect to other people. Whether it is the matter to interact with employees regarding different business-related issues or connect them with the customers to respond to queries in real time, internet plays a vital role to make business communication easier and quicker. So with the use of internet, it can help us to improve our communication skills and to in adapting some traits and characteristics of other people. The use of this social media or the use of this internet digital era today. So it's one of the example of the image or like diagram below of on how the internet connects to our connected community. So yes, it travels to a different places so people can really use it to connect to other people. So digital technologies connecting communities. Digital technology is being used to create and maintain communities of like-minded people. Knowledge of the way this technology is used is critical to the group's longevity, success and capacity to effect change. Success and capacity to uh, This issue is of increasing prominence for technology and service providers as community groups are given greater power through the rise of localism. So there's a lot of different developers or like that can that access and that help us to do what we want to do in internet. So there are a lot of examples of digital technologies we can use to access internet and to connect to other people. So number one is websites. Websites is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. So commonly it is used for search engine or like commonly this composed of different aspects and different characteristics. Like for example, for businesses, for personal information, and others for educational purposes. So it can really help us to gain some information knowledge. So next is smartphones. So commonly we ask or they commonly a lot of people know what is smartphones and what it is for. So smartphones is a mobile device that combines cellular and mobile computing functions into one unit. So it is used for browsing through social medias, like gaming or others, and capturing image. Yes. So next is digital television. Digital television is transmission of television audiovisual signals using digital encoding. In contrast to the earlier analog television technology, which used analog signal. So there's a lot of different examples of digital televisions, such as smart TV that we can actually cast to a through a smartphone or to a PC or laptop. So next is social media. Social media are interactive computer-mediated technologies that facilitate the creation or sharing of information, ideas, career interests, and other forms of expression via virtual communities and networks. So one of the best example here is Facebook or like YouTube. It's used to like Facebook to socialize to some people or view some email, uh, some updates to other people that are idols, and also YouTube some to we are able to view some videos of some bloggers or famous bloggers. So next is video streaming. It is a multimedia that is constantly received by and presented to an end user while being delivered by a provider. The verb to stream refers to the process of delivering or obtaining media in this manner. So commonly it is used to share to show some activities. For example, there are certain um, events that is happening, so they able to stream it to a live or through a different aspects of recording a video. So lastly is ebooks. Ebooks is a book publication made available in digital form consisting of text, image, or both readable on the software. So you can actually use this in some educational purposes. It can really help us because in our situation today, like this pandemic, uh, we are able to view some books through the use of internet. We can actually secure it, use of email and password. Yes. So importance of internet through connecting to a community. So the importance of the internet in media and journalism is undeniable. It facilitates accurate and timely reporting of news. Most people today get their daily and even hourly news from the internet. Commonly, people today use internet for actually sometimes uh, sometimes it is a whole day because of the because of their work. Like, for example, the help of their job, they have to use a internet. Commonly, it's important to use the internet in terms of job opportunities or like some different purposes. The internet plays a vital role in ensuring that people stay in contact regardless of the physical barriers. Most friendship and business connection will die without the internet. So we can actually because it's the main or the core in browsing on the social media or like for example it is the main reason on how we work or like to how we connect to other people. So it plays a heavy role in our lives and to other people. So connection with friends and family. The internet keeps people in touch with the rest of the world. Initially, one would only know the stories that the mainstream media reported. Now, however, people get to learn about different countries and people across the world directly from the source. The internet exposes people to the world without filters or boundaries, allowing them to develop informed opinion. So we are free to judge or we are free to know or to adapt on some information with the use of internet. There are some officials that actually use some gatekeeping method or like they can actually filter out the information that we adapt with the use of guidance to some like younger, some like some youths. So in short, it can really help us to connect to our loved ones with the use of internet to a connected community. Freely we are linked to each other with the use of internet and digital technologies. Yes. And these are my sources in getting this information. And that's it. Thank you and God bless.